How to update your payment method on SHEIN. Let's get started. Launch your SHEIN app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the shop page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find a fun option. Navigate to the option of Me. Once you're on this page, click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Now in the settings page you're gonna find a different option. Click on the option of My Payment Options. With that, you will be directed to this page where you're gonna find all of your payment details. Now go ahead and select any of the payment method. You can use Visa card, MasterCard, SafeKey, any options given over here. First up, type in your card number. Then type in the expiration date. Then provide the CVV. Once you provide all these details, click on Confirm and complete the process to add your payment. So this way you can easily update your payment method on SHEIN. This was really simple and quick process. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.